In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up multi-factor authentication within a Zoho Creator app using my Twilio extension. Let me show you it in action. I've got a Zoho Creator form here. And when I click on send an SMS to confirm your number, it's going to send me an SMS. Just wait a few seconds for that. Okay, that went through. Wait for push bullet to show it. So it was 405 700. I'm going to do 701 just to show what happens if it's incorrect. And then if I enter 700, it'll take me to the next form. In order to do that, let me show you how it is set up. If we go to the MFA form, we've got the fields that you can see on the screen, which were these three. And then we also have some hidden fields: expected MFA code, expiry time, and the lead ID. Now, if we have a look at this workflow, we've got a delude script function or handler that runs when the user clicks on send an SMS. What that looks like, I should really do if input dot send SMS, so it only happens when it's ticked. Then we generate a random number as an MFA code between 100,000 and 999,999. We have an expiry time of 5 minutes, and then this code here we use to send the SMS. We're specifying the from number. The to number is what the person put in that phone field. The message is please enter this token. And then we're linking it to a lead. We've got the CRM lead ID as a parameter, and you could use a contact as well. And then this code here, you just copy and paste it in order to send an SMS. So that'll trigger an SMS. And then the next thing that will happen is when the user tries to submit, we'll first check, is it expired already? Has the current time, is it greater than the expiry time? And then we'll check whether the SMS code that they entered is the same as what we expect it to be. If it doesn't match, then we cancel. And then finally, if it does succeed, then we will navigate them to the main form. And then what we should do in the main form as well is we should make sure that the related MFA code is valid. We should say if the sign-in is blank, and then we could redirect them back to our MFA sign-in page if they've tried to get around it. And then we should check MFA sign-in record. And then we could check So doing something like this, what it'll mean now is that if I try and navigate directly to this form, it won't let me. It'll take me back to here. And if I do something like that, where I try and make up a MFA sign-in record, it just won't work. So I think the combination of that would work well for setting up your own MFA